Hi, I'm Bo from Bo's Kitchen. I've made some carob and spelt donuts today and some of my favourite carob icing, and I'm going to show you how I style them to make them look extra pretty. Now I've iced my donuts, I'm going to prepare the shot. Colour's really important. I always try and use contrasting colours where possible. All the tones in the picture are going to be grey and blue, and then it contrasts against the chocolate. And this shot's going to be backlit to catch all the lovely highlights on the glaze, which I'll be able to enhance later in Lightroom. I've got 7 donuts on the board. Still working in odds because your eye stays on the picture for longer. If you work in even numbers, your brain tends to pair things up. And one just off on the side, a little bite out of, just to make it look even more delicious. Like you just want to tuck in. What I always do is save a few of the little crumbs, and you want it to look natural. And it's really important to make sure your props all work together. So that's why I've used a dark linen here, which works nicely with the background. Darker bowl as well. I'm going to style them and add the toppings now. Just to add interest to the picture, I'll try and do different topping on each one. It doesn't matter if some sprinkle around, that just adds to it. I'm going to add my little candy stars, the prettiest topping, so I'll highlight these by putting them on the bit that we've taken a little bite out of. And don't be afraid to mix it up, they don't all have to be one topping. And these carob donuts are really rich and delicious. A chocolate dream. I'm going to take my shot. So I'm going to take it over into Lightroom to get the most out of my images.